It's Friday, December 8th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And just maybe that Lululemon stock downgrade that we were talking about earlier this week was onto something. The Vancouver-based athletic wear powerhouse on the market radar right now after the company's fourth quarter revenue outlook fell short of estimates. The company anticipating that holiday season sales will be up by 14% at best, while analysts were hoping for more like 19%. Lulu's third quarter profit down a smidge to $249 million from nearly $256 million a year back, despite sharply higher revenue. Oh, but here's a better than forecast earnings update in from Edmonton-based Canadian Western Bank. A fourth quarter take of $76.8 million from $67.7 million a year ago. The bank's investor dividend up by a penny to 34 cents a share. One of Canada's most listened to business podcasts according to FeedSpot and heard around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to beautiful BC, Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. A big deal in the real estate business has Vancouver investment firm McCready, whose principal started Sotheby's International Canada, now acquiring Burnaby-based Sutton Group, which has about 200 offices across the country. Add this to the list of PR challenges facing the likes of Air Canada and WestJet, a now not-so-confidential UN report giving Canada a C for flight safety oversight from A+, the International Civil Aviation Organization noting three areas of concern: aircraft operations, air navigation, and airports. It's not the record $7.4 million fine the Royal Bank had to pay, but Canada's anti-money laundering agency FINTRAC has now fined the Bank of Montreal $1.3 million for a pair of violations. And about that salmonella outbreak linked to cantaloupes, the Public Health Agency of Canada now reporting 5 related deaths. Quebec, the hardest hit province with 90 cases. And that will do it for your Friday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.